Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna take this cheap jigsaw and try to make it into a sander. Yeah, you heard me right, a jigsaw into a sander. So probably about a week ago or so, I saw on Instagram, a guy took a block of wood and he glued it to his saw blade and then glued sandpaper to that, and he was able to use it to sand in tight curves and stuff like that. And I thought, if that actually works, that could be pretty handy. I kind of have some doubts if it will actually work. That's why I'm making this video, because I'm gonna experiment with it, and I thought, heck, why not take you guys along with me on this journey and we'll see if it actually works. So I rummaged through my junk drawer and I found this 1-inch dowel, and I figured it would be perfect for this experiment. And I'm gonna head to my miter saw and cut off about 3 inches of this dowel. We have a 3-inch dowel. Next, we need to cut a slot down the center of this so that we can wedge the jigsaw blade into it. I've been thinking about the easiest way to do this, and I think what I might do is clamp it and then use a handsaw and cut a groove in there. And I don't know what kind of hand saws I have here. I know what saws I have, but I'm gonna try to find one with maybe the thickest kerf I can get. So this Japanese pull saw that I have, it's a little bit thinner than the saw blade, which I think is going to be perfect. So we'll use this. Now, one thing we have to make sure is how far this blade goes up, because we don't want to have it set too far, else this thing's just going to be going smash it into the base plate and probably break off. So I have it already set that the blade's as far in as it goes. I'm just going to mark it with a Sharpie. And I'm going to keep it down just a little bit. Now we just need to smack her in place. And I'm just going to double check to make sure that it doesn't hit the bottom. And it could go in a little bit more. I wonder if I can tap it. I can too. And to make sure this stays in place, I'm just going to use some CA glue. I'll put a little activator on it. Next, we need to wrap it in sandpaper. I'm going to use this Gorilla spray adhesive. I'm going to spray some on here and on here, let it dry, and then it'll be a permanent bond. First, I'm going to figure out how much I need to wrap around this, because I don't need the whole thing. We'll cut it to fit. Oh, this is sticky. All right, you guys are going to see this for the first time, just like I am. I have not tried this yet to see if it works. If it's going to explode right in front of my face, just for you guys. So I'm going to pull the trigger and we'll see what happens here. We'll go slow. I got on the slow speed here. Hey, look at that! Let's ramp up the speed. Let's go full sand on this. We'll go 6. That's as fast as it goes. Woo! Look at that! All right, let's go sand something. What I have here is a piece of pine, and I cut it on the bandsaw. And the bandsaw, it leaves the roughest cut of all my tools. And I tried to make as wavy as a line as I can with the 3/4 inch blade that I have in my bandsaw. If you don't know, wide blades don't like to make sharp corners. All right, let's see here. It's okay, I guess. Well, my final thoughts. This is a piece of junk. This was actually a really dumb idea. I don't know whoever thought of this, why they think it would be a great idea. You'd have much better results getting one of those little spindle sanders for your drill press and, you know, using your drill press, or just using your hand drill. Even if you can't bring the workpiece to the drill press, just use a hand drill. You would get much quicker results, better results, and you'd be much happier at the end of the day. So overall, I'm gonna be sticking to my spindle sander, and I think I'm just gonna toss this thing into the garbage. I really didn't have very high expectations for this. I thought it was gonna fall apart. I didn't think it would hold up. And I'm still impressed that it's holding up. And I did get it fairly straight. I was really surprised by that too. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.